Welcome back, everyone. It has been a while. And this is literally why. Right here I'm flying the patch ray, and I took the insides of an Atom RC Dodo, added a, it was from a little cheap analog build that flew very well, but I put a Vista on it with the Polar, and it's not flying as well. It's really shaking. There's a lot of noise, I guess. And also the Polar has a little bit more latency, so you don't really feel as locked in, and it's shaking. There's this area in Toronto, well, lots of Toronto, they're just building condo after condo after condo, so I call this place Crane City. There's like 6 cranes. I only went around like 5 of them. Should have went over 6 so that this could have had 6 cranes in one pack, but instead only 5, and the 6th one will be there teasing me. You should have flown me too. I have a thumb recording all of this that I'm gonna lose at the end of the video, and you'll see. Flying in this area is like really cool, but if you crash or anything, you just get to say goodbye to everything. I managed to destroy every action cam I've ever had, or lose them. It's just a gift I have. Not even like just break them, but just like lose them or destroy them. I smashed the poop out of my Runcam 5, and then I ordered a pile more, and 2 of them I like shorted from connecting the 5-volt in the ground to the wrong thing because I'm a noob. So then I'm just like, I'll get these Runcam thumbs because they're cheap. So I got 2 of them, and one of them we're gonna lose at the end of this flight, as you're gonna see. And now I got a Runcam Pro, Thumb Pro, so I'm gonna be building a Synolog 25 and then trying to fly like a decent human being so that it lasts longer. But I haven't posted any videos in a while, even though like I have them. I've just been a little bit FPV downhearted because I've destroyed everything. Also, I found a hack in the YouTube algorithm, so I've been using it to grow my reptile channel. So I found a way to force you to get like millions of views if you follow the right steps. I'm going to be releasing it for free on my... So if you go to the channels tab and you subscribe to Matthew Genzer, that's my personal channel, and there you'll be able to see that video.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Here we go. There's that last crane. It calls to me. It says, come fly. You know, and I'm just like, I can do it. I can do it. I guess I can't. And that's the end of it. Yeah. Subscribe. See ya.